Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Expedition, 2003 to 2006? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2003 and 2004 Ford Expedition protects various interior electrical components such as the radio, power windows, and interior lights. It contains fuses and relays that manage circuits for driver assist systems and climate control. This box supports diagnostics by isolating faults in individual circuits. Proper fuse ratings are crucial to prevent electrical damage. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 and 2006 Ford Expedition manages power distribution for interior systems like the audio system, power seats, and instrument panel. It includes fuses and relays designed for circuit protection and system control. This fuse box supports diagnostics and troubleshooting by isolating individual electrical faults. It ensures safe and reliable operation of key cabin functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.